What's up, it's Sierra LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a super duper quick video. I've noticed that I've had quite a few new people to my channel as they are doing their research for keratin, and this is a question that I get so often, and I believe I've answered this question in a video before, but because this has been such a common question, I figured let me just do a quick video for it for the people who this is really the only answer that they're looking for. So a question that I get a lot is, what happens when a keratin treatment didn't go my way? Like when it messed up my hair, how do I fix it? What do I do next? I personally only know one correct answer, and I really want to give you guys a solution that will actually work, as opposed to trying to give you a bunch of fluff and puff of try this and try that and those things aren't working. And unfortunately, I'm not a professional hairstylist. Like, I did not go to school for hair. I'm not going to pretend like I did and try to give you guys a bunch of info about things that I do for my hair that may not even be the correct thing to do. It's just me sharing my journey and experience with y'all. Anyway, if you got a keratin treatment, whether you did it at home yourself or you went to a professional, which most of you guys, when you come to me, you told me that you do it yourself, the only solution to that I feel is to go to a professional. And if you went to a professional and they messed up your hair, go to a different professional to see if they could try to fix your hair. I know I've mentioned so many times in pretty much every keratin video that I've done recently, you got to test a small piece of hair first. But not everybody's hair type is made for keratin, and I'm learning that the more finer damaged hair is a definite no-no for keratin. But again, if you end up finding yourself with now damaged hair from trying to use a keratin to help repair your hair and you don't know what to do, seek a professional. Because at the end of the day, your hair is unique to you, to your lifestyle, to the climate you live in, to what you eat. So a cosmetologist who has actually studied hair and can see damage that has been done from a chemical treatment, they're the person who's going to be able to prescribe you what you need to do in order to help get your hair back on track, or even may be able to help strip your hair of the keratin. I don't know, but that really is the best solution that I know if you have found yourself with the keratin treatment and your hair came out for the worst. Now, if you're just a person who's anti-salon, you may just have to let your hair grow out. I am going to try to do some research. I'm going to try to talk with hair professionals to see if they have any advice of what you can do yourself if you are having a bad experience with keratin. So give me a little bit of time to try to collect some data from that. But in the meantime, in between time, go seek help from a professional. Just like when there's something going wrong with the body, you go see a doctor. If there's something going wrong with the teeth, you go see a dentist. I'm sorry if that doesn't help, but I just want to give you guys the best answer that will help in the long run. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And until the next video, ciao.